Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insightful insights on the latest gadgets and tools. Today, we're diving into a must-have kitchen essential, the CookWise Mason jar opener.
If you've ever struggled with stubborn, sealed jar lids, then you're in for a treat because this product is the best Mason jar opener for sealed lids available on the market. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at what makes the CookWise Mason jar opener stand out from the rest. Crafted with durability and functionality in mind, this vintage-style opener is a multifunctional marvel. Not only does it effortlessly pry open mason jar lids, but it also tackles bottles and tumblers with ease.
Say goodbye to frustrating jar frustrations. Now, what really sets this jar opener apart is its user-friendly design.
Whether you're dealing with weak hands or arthritis, this gadget is a game-changer. Its ergonomic construction ensures a comfortable grip for users of all ages, making it an ideal kitchen companion for seniors and those with limited dexterity. The CookWise Mason jar opener is not only easy to use but also built to last.
Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this kitchen gadget is designed to withstand the test of time. With proper care, it can be a lifelong companion in your culinary adventures. And here's the cherry on top: your satisfaction is guaranteed.
If for any reason you find that this opener doesn't meet your expectations, simply return it within 90 days for a full refund, no questions asked. That's how confident CookWise is in the quality of their product. Now that we've covered the key features of the CookWise Mason jar opener, let's talk about how it can benefit you in the kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice cook, this gadget is sure to become your new favorite tool. Its versatility, ease of use, and durability make it a must-have for every kitchen. So, if you're tired of struggling with stubborn jar lids and want to make your kitchen tasks easier than ever, do yourself a favor and grab the CookWise Mason jar opener today.
Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy cooking!